guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a super simple pour. I got this new Domino mold. I'm actually highly disappointed in the mold because this is not a filter. That's how it came. It's a little warped, which pisses me off. So, shut up, phone. Why do I always forget to mute my phone? Give me a second. Oh my god. Get your act together, Megan. Anyway, I'm just going to do a simple pour. It's going to be a black base. I'm going to use the Epoxy Colors black colorant. I don't know why I always want to show you guys this stuff up close. You don't really care. And to that, I'm going to add some Mirage Gold mica powder. And then once that's cured, I'm going to use the Pinata Rich Gold to color in the little nubbins. And yeah, I'm making this super simple because I know that most likely these dominoes are going to have like a psychedelic wave to them, and that's not what I actually want. So I'm not going to take my time doing something super complex when I know it's going to turn out like crap. But I wanted to test the mold to see, I mean, I know it's going to happen, but also because I bought this on Amazon, of course, I like to write reviews on Amazon for the stuff that I buy, for most of the stuff that I buy, because I'm one of those shoppers who loves to read the reviews before I buy something. I read the reviews for this one. They were all great. There were no issues. So, yeah, I want to write a review, you know, about this mold eventually. And so I'd like to add pictures. So I'm going to add a picture of the mold, you know, before. And then I'm going to add pictures of the die. So, or the dominoes, so that people can see. Yeah, if your mold comes like that, it's not going to work right. So anyway, super simple pour, like I said. It's going to be a very quick and easy video. I'm waiting for my resin to warm up right now. Stay tuned. So, I don't know if y'all can tell, but I got shit holding the corners of this mold down right now. This thing was a hell of a lot more warped than I thought it was. I have zero hopes for this. Also, this mica powder, holy shit, it should have just said fucking gold instead of Mirage Gold. Because it turned my black completely gold, which means that instead of using the gold piñata, I will be using the silver piñata. I don't even know why I want to try to finish them. They're not going to turn out good. You can see that it's still, like, warped. So this is going to go into the 2021 Epic Fails compilation at the end of the year. But, I'll tell you what I'm not going to do. I'm not going to waste this extra black and gold resin. I'm going to fill these puppies up with it. Because why not, you know? But anyway, y'all don't have to watch that. We'll be back for the unmolding. Stay tuned. Don't get your hopes up. Alright. Let's give this a shot. Oh no. These look terrible. I had some micro bubbles. I did a terrible... Well, I didn't actually try to get out the bubbles. Because of... Let me see if you guys can see this. I mean, that's not an overpour. That's how the mold is. That is terrible. Oh my god, this is probably going to be the worst. Yep. I mean, just look at that. It frustrates the hell out of me, you guys. Because not only did I waste money on this mold that's supposed to be, you know, at least good quality for the price. Because this wasn't, I mean, it's not an expensive mold by any means, but it's also not the cheapest on Amazon. Lord. Like, yeah, I mean, I would say probably the majority of these are pretty good as far as, pardon me, they're not like super crooked or anything. But when you have a set of dominoes, you want them to all look the same. Otherwise, people are going to know, oh, you got the 1 and the 2, so I'm not going to place whatever down. You know? Or like the blank and the 4. Oh, come on, camera. Work with me here. Like, you can see just how crooked this is. Oh, it's just so fucking frustrating. Oh my god. Like, that's ridiculous. Anyway. And the mold, of course, is still, you know, warped and shit. So that's going to go straight to the we're going to figure something else out pile. I'm definitely going to get my money back for this mold because I just can't. I can't. I'm sure these turned out great. Yeah. So, I don't know. That's it. There won't be glamour shots after this because I can't. So, yeah. Stay tuned, guys. I do have, my next project is probably going to be the ocean boards. Where are they at? You know, do like ocean waves. And then on the 14th, I'm going to have a very special video out. So stay tuned for those. Thank you guys for watching. I hope I wasn't too much of a bummer in this video. I'm just super pissed off about it. So anyway, take care. Have a great day.